Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable desktop notifications in Gmail. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in with your email address and password if you are not already logged in. Once you are in your inbox, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings. A small menu will appear. Click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. You will now see several tabs at the top. Make sure you are in the General tab. Scroll down until you find the section called Desktop Notifications. Here, you will see options to turn on notifications for new emails or for important emails only. Choose the one that suits you by clicking the circle next to it. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications, click Allow. This step is important. Without allowing notifications, Gmail cannot display alerts on your desktop. After choosing your preference, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will now start sending you desktop notifications when new messages arrive. If you do not see a notification, check your browser settings to ensure notifications are enabled, and make sure you have not blocked Gmail alerts. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.